I am interested in purchasing a soundbar that does not produce the traditional soundbar sound, where all the cables are concealed and the width is identical to the TV that I have recently acquired. I would like a finish that perfectly matches the decor of my environment. Is there a soundbar with these features? No, however, there is Cinematelier, a sound projector that is completely covered in fabric and houses acoustic speakers and electronics inside of it. The dimensions of Cinematelier can be custom made, for example, the same width as your television. Cinematelier is fully covered in fabric on the front and side parts, and it is offered in a choice of 36 different colors. Inside you can insert 4 types of speakers, from the smallest, which is still a 120 plus 120 watt maximum, to the most powerful, which is a 300 plus 300 watt maximum. This system can be added with a subwoofer with the same aesthetic finishes as the soundbar. In this example, 2 SA112N speakers are installed, paired with Bluesound electronics, which are not manufactured by us. We are using the PowerNode 2 model, a high-level product that is frequently used in conjunction with our speakers. But what can I do with this system? Obviously, I can watch TV or movies with truly high-fidelity audio, listen to internet radio, or stream cloud music. It is compatible with Alexa, Google, AirPlay 2, and Bluetooth. It would be that with this system in other rooms you can create a multi-room system so you can listen to the same music or different music in many environments in the mode. The possible configurations of this product are unlimited and personalized. Contact us and we'll help you create the soundbar suitable for your environment, like shapes, dimensions, and performance. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated. Thank you, see you soon.